Welcome to Minute Docs, where we explore a wide range of topics in bite-sized documentaries. Today, join us as we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, from its theoretical foundations to its real-world applications. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines capable of mimicking human cognitive functions. It's a concept that has intrigued and challenged researchers since its inception, with its potential to revolutionize various industries. In the early days, pioneers like Alan Turing laid the groundwork for AI. Turing introduced the Turing test in the 1950s, a measure of machine intelligence that still holds relevance today. Since those early days, AI has evolved at an astonishing rate, propelled by advancements in computing power, the availability of vast amounts of data, and breakthroughs in algorithmic designs. Since then, AI has evolved rapidly, driven by advancements in computing power, data availability, and algorithmic innovations. At the heart of artificial intelligence are fundamental concepts such as machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. Let's unpack these a bit. Machine learning, in essence, is all about enabling computers to learn from data. It's like teaching them how to make predictions or decisions without the need for explicit programming. On the other hand, we have neural networks. These are computing systems inspired by the structure of the human brain. They form the backbone of many AI applications, serving as the brain that processes information and makes decisions. Finally, deep learning takes us a step further. It's a subset of machine learning, but it operates on a much larger scale, dealing with vast amounts of data and complex computations. These deep learning techniques are the game changers. They have led to breakthroughs in areas like image recognition, where computers can identify and categorize images, and natural language processing, which allows machines to understand and interact with human language. Deep learning techniques have led to breakthroughs in image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming industries and reshaping the way we live and work. Take healthcare, for instance. AI is revolutionizing medicine as we know it, aiding in disease diagnosis, personalizing treatment plans, and even analyzing complex medical imaging data. It's like having a super smart, tireless assistant who's always on call. Now let's talk finance. AI is the new Wall Street whiz kid, operating in the high-stakes world of fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. By crunching vast amounts of data in real time, it helps financial institutions stay one step ahead. Don't forget about our daily commutes. AI is at the heart of the autonomous vehicle revolution, promising to transform transportation as we know it. By enhancing safety and efficiency, AI-powered vehicles are not just the stuff of science fiction, but a rapidly approaching reality. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is making waves in sectors as diverse as agriculture, where it optimizes crop yields and reduces waste, to education, where it personalizes learning experiences and even grades assignments. Indeed, artificial intelligence is no longer confined to the realm of theoretical research. It's here now, working behind the scenes in ways we might not even realize, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI promise to revolutionize transportation by enhancing safety and efficiency. As AI continues to advance, it raises important ethical and societal questions. The ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence brings to light considerations of privacy, as AI has the potential to access and analyze vast amounts of personal data. The question then becomes, how do we protect individual privacy rights in this data-rich environment? Accountability is another crucial issue. As AI systems make decisions that affect people's lives, who takes responsibility when things go wrong? It's essential to establish clear accountability mechanisms for AI applications. Fairness is also at the heart of AI ethics. With AI systems increasingly used in decision-making, we must ensure they don't perpetuate or amplify existing biases. This brings us to the importance of diversity and inclusion in AI research and development. A diverse range of perspectives can help identify and mitigate potential biases in AI systems, fostering fair and equitable outcomes. Efforts to promote diversity and inclusion in AI research and development are essential to mitigate biases and ensure equitable outcomes. As we conclude our deep dive into artificial intelligence, it's clear that we're witnessing a transformative era in human history. From its intriguing theoretical foundations to its groundbreaking real-world applications, AI is reshaping our world. Its potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives is simply astounding. However, we must remain vigilant, tackling the ethical and societal implications with care and consideration. Join us next time on Minute Docs as we continue to explore the cutting-edge developments shaping our future.